Lindsay here with Pilates On Demand, and I have my dad here today. We are going to do a Pilates for Seniors class, and I'm specifically working with his body. So he's a gym goer, he's a weightlifter, does a lot of, like chest press, pull-ups, push-ups for years. So stand sideways for me. So we're working a little bit of working on the posture, right? So his neck, his head's a little bit forward. So if you have that, maybe a pillow or a block. I'm using a yoga block today for this class. Blanket and a pillow. It doesn't have to be specifically like a yoga block. You can grab a pillow from your couch. That's what this is, and like a blanket from your couch. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so here we go. You're gonna bring yourself all the way standing against a wall, and then bring your feet a little bit forward, especially if you do have that rounded shoulders and your head's kind of off the wall. So as we can see, there's a good amount of space between the wall and his head. So we'll just start here. Find the wall with your body. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. You're going to send your face straight forward so it leaves the wall, but not the back. Keep the back against the wall, and then bring your head straight back into the wall. Yeah. So you're just kind of like a little chicken, right? That's what it looks like. Good. So you're going to inhale forward and exhale back. And if you have a yoga block or a blanket, you can always slide that behind your head if you're not able to reach the wall. And that gives you something a little bit more tactile to press back into. And what this is strengthening are your neck muscles, so those rear neck muscles. Yeah, so you're just gonna leave the block a little bit and press back. How you feeling?
Good.
Good? Doing great. And as you can see, he's keeping his chin at the same height. So it isn't this action, right? You're not saying yes. So chin straight out, and then push your chin back into the back of the neck. Good, okay, last one. Okay, let's keep the block there and reach your arms forward. So now you're going to keep your head back in this position. Reach the arms forward so your shoulder blades leave the wall, and then keep your arms straight and pull the shoulder blades into the wall. Yeah, reach forward, the shoulder blades spread apart, and then pull the shoulder blades in, and they come together. Really nice. And as we go up and down with those shoulders, or I should say in and out, we don't want to elevate the upper traps, which he's not doing. So he's doing a great job, because that's pretty hard here, especially when you're more muscular. Like Steven over here, my dad, his upper traps would probably naturally want to lift. So we're not elevating right here. Yeah, we're keeping that space. Good. So when the arms come forward, the collarbone rounds a little bit. And then when the arms pull back, the shoulder blades move together. Good. One more. Good. And then just take a break and relax the arms. How are you doing?
Really good.
Feeling new sensations in your body? Okay, I'm going to take the block, and we're going for a wall squat. So this really is great if you have a hard time squatting, with posture, or you are a little bit scared of squatting. This is great because you have the wall to lean into. So the first thing you'll do is walk your feet forward a good amount. If you're taller, they go further forward. And then you find the wall with your hands and lean your hips back into the wall. Yeah, you want to be in a place where your knee stacks over your foot. And then I'm going to have you turn your toes in just slightly so the feet are super parallel. Yep, so toes, knees, and hips line up. If this is like crazy hard, then come up a little bit higher. Let's bring the block behind the head so you have something to lean back into. And then we're going to press the arms back into the wall. So we're opening the chest up. Yeah, and we're trying to unround the shoulders. How you doing?
Amazing.
Amazing. So we're feeling the thighs? Okay, let's take 3 breaths in. Getting a little leg work, and we're working the posture. So we've got the neutral spine. Head back, chest open, tailbone into the wall. Last breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. And then you're just going to use the wall, or if you have a friend to help you get up. Can you get up? You got this, Steve. Use your legs. Woo! Okay. How'd you do?
Amazing.
Amazing. Okay, so we're coming to the floor. So I would suggest, pillow to sit on, and I'm also going to give you a blanket. So just take a seat down on the ground. He's like, yeah, right. You got it. My dad is 61. He's crushing it. Yeah. So sit comfortably. You know, you can cross your legs, you have your knees bent, whatever works for you. And again, you're going to find the wall with your back. So we're working posture. It looks way easy, but it's a lot harder to really sit upright. When you sit upright, your core and your back muscles are working hard to lift you up. Okay, so the back of the head's moving to the wall, the chest is open, and we are going to go for a little chest opener. So you're going to make a 90-degree bend with your arms, a goalpost shape, and we're going to open and close this shape. What this is going to do is dynamically stretch the chest, the front of the shoulders, so again, it's good for posture. Yeah. Okay, we're breathing in and out and trying to relax the jaw, the muscles in the neck. You know, it's hard work sitting up straight. Nice job. How's that feel?
Amazing.
Is it tight?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, last two. And last one. Good, and then relax the arms. Okay, we are gonna finish with a side bend. So we'll use the wall to keep ourselves from, a lot of times in a side bend, you wanna go directly to the side. I see people kind of round forward. So lean back into the wall the whole time. Okay, so let's reach this arm up, this right arm up. And I want you, if you're tighter like this, maybe you don't even go into the side bend, you just focus on lifting. Yeah, so for my dad, I'm gonna focus on just trying to get his arm really straight. So maybe he even takes it a little bit away from the ear so he can lengthen the elbow more. Yeah, do you have any pain?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay, and then I'm gonna have him externally rotate the arm. So what happens is the tricep moves forward and the bicep moves back, and the shoulder blade widens in the back of the body. Good, take a big breath in, touch the ceiling, and then exhale, release. Did you feel a stretch in your lat here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, let's relax it down. Are your fingers tingling?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's got a good amount of pinched nerves in his neck. So, you know, that might happen. Tingling is okay. If you have pain, we're going to check with the doctor. Okay, let's take it to the other side. So we'll reach the left arm up, try to touch the ceiling, you got it. And then we've got that spinning of the tricep. So the tricep comes forward, the bicep turns towards the wall. This guy, yeah, you got it. Good, and this looks a little bit more flexible. Easier to straighten this arm?
Sure.
Sure. Yeah, he's going up, he's reaching up. That looks great, Dad. Take a big breath in. You're welcome. And exhale, release. Okay, so we're going to add on just a little bit. I want to get this side bend action in the body. Okay, so take the other arm up, switch sides. And let's keep the arm a little wider if you're tighter. And you're going to lean your body over. You can place the free hand on the ground. Good. And now lean the body back into the wall. And breathe into your top side. So we're breathing into the ribs. Good. One more breath. And then we're going to bring it all the way up. Nice work. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Yay! Okay. I'm sensing sarcasm. Okay, let's take the left hand to the floor. Right hand reaches up. Good, we got that external rotation and you're lifting tall, and then we'll side bend and lean into the wall. Yeah. Good, take this arm a little bit away from your ear, yeah, and bring your thumb back towards the wall. Good, take a big breath in to that top side and a deep breath out. And roll it up. High fives. Good work, Dad. How you feeling?
Amazing.
He's like being really good and careful about saying anything. Good work. You did what I told you to do.
Yes, dear.
Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us for Pilates for Seniors. I hope some of these moves are helpful to you, make you feel a little bit better and looser in your body. And thank you, Dad, for being my trainee. You did great. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Just click it below so you get a notice when my next video comes out. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.